Well, hello. This is the first video of the individual log where I will be explaining all phases, starting from phase one all the way to the last deliverable of the final report. And I'm doing this with the help of a diagram. Really, the diagram I made is simple, as I am looking more to explain it with just the title of all the phases. And so we start off with the problem solution path in phase one, which is defining the problem. Here, well, first of all, I'm alone in the project, so everything that I will be talking about, I did myself. And well, of course, I had help of the teacher with guiding me on how to do certain things, but I am alone in the team. So first, the professor made us read the problem statement and understand what was being asked for us to do and how we would manage an initial budget and understanding the terms that we will be working with. After that, we made a brainstorm of ideas to define what type of business we wanted, whether it was a fine dining, fast casual, or a fast food restaurant. I ended up with a sandwich fast casual shop. And after this, still in phase one, we composed a project charter. So we were looking to mark our objective with the restaurant, the scope it had, the stakeholders, and when we would be looking to start it. After this, we would start the actual estimation of the project, estimating market variables. That's researching about the competition, where the restaurant could be, what part of the city, who our main customers were, or potential customers, um, potential queries we could do to gather more information, what databases to use. Also, researching on the potential demand, and that's what we did for the estimating market variables. For estimating technical variables, well, it was more of where we would locate the business, making a systemic plant layout with either whether it was Excel or PowerPoint. I did a PowerPoint one, estimating the number of workers, the equipment, the size of it all would be, and making a list of it and how much we would think or estimate with research it's going to cost at the end, and how this would impact the cash flow estimation. After this, we will get hands-on into the formatting of the formulas and the data we want to apply in the restaurant, applying economic engineering methods and the written report. Here is where we used all the formulas we learned during the class, and based on the research information we had and the cost estimations and the market estimates and the technical requirements, we would construct an estimate of the net cash flow of our project with a pessimistic scenario, a realistic one, and the optimistic scenario. We would also, with the scenarios and with the general scope of 60 months, calculate the net present value and the IRR and consider it, like I said, within 60 months. Then we would integrate the effects of taxes and inflation and see how the sensitivity of the project was. And after doing this and getting with our estimates a good IRR, we would complete the whole Excel document. And with all the research and all the defining we did previously, we would add it up to the final report with the requirements our professor asked us for to include. And now we are here in the individual log, where we are also asked specific questions on our performance on the problem solution and making this exact video. And yes, that's basically the problem solution path I took. I can't speak for the other teams, but yes, thank you.